Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a temperature converter Android app. Here will be an example. Okay, so for example, if I enter, let's say 100 units of degree, okay, and then let me try it again. Okay, 100, okay, let's say 100. And I click convert, and then you would convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay? And if I click the radio button, convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and click convert button again, then you can see that the result here will show what will be the degree from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And then I can again just enter some other number, like let's say the 109, okay, 1009. If I click convert, then the toast message will show up saying that, hey, the temperature is too high, okay? Yeah. And similarly, if I pick this one and click convert, the warning message will show up as well. So this is a very simple app, okay, but then it will take a while to build, and also I'm going to show you how to display the app icon created by you over the action bar, and also in the app icon here, okay? But then again, the whole process to create this one will be pretty long. Okay, so I will just show you how to create the GUIs first. All right. So let me set this one aside for the moment. Okay. And then here will be the Android app. And then let me close everything. Okay, let me close everything. And just create a new app, click empty activity, click next, and then you can call it, let's say temperature converter, and click finish. All right, the software is creating the required files and folders for us, and it's kind of done. And then let me increase the font size. And also this is the layout file. Layout file. So again, as of now, there's only one text view. The default one comes with the empty activity. So we can close it. We can close it if you want to. So let me not close it. We can delete it. If you want to. And then let me delete it as well. All right. So we're going to create the text view here. Text view here. So we drag and drop an instance of the text view. And then let me see, the text size I set it up is 30 SP, so we set it to text size 30 SP, and also the text color is red. So again, you can enter the hexadecimal value, but you might want to add a hash mark first. So oops, yeah. So let me try. The sorry, from here it will be FF 00000. Yeah. And then one more means all red, and you can see the sample here. So let me click this one again. So there's the text view. And then from text view to the top of the screen, the distance I set it up is Okay, you can set it to 16, okay, if you want to. In addition to that, the description, okay, should be temperature converter, okay? So I will set up, okay, a string ID, okay, in the strings.xml file. So expand the resource folder, expand the values folder, and then click the strings.xml file, double click it, and let me increase the font size. Okay, so you can see that there's a default key over there, and then let me just change to temperature converter. And then again, I'm not very good at typing, okay, so I will use the open editor, okay, to allow me to create a new key and its value. And I'm going to click the plus sign, and then I'm going to put a key, okay, let me call it text title, and the value, okay, will be, okay, temperature converter. Okay, I got a typo on my app. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, converter. Yeah. And then how to use this one? Okay, so we can switch back to the layout file, and then get over the text property. We can delete that one. Okay, and then press the add key. Then you can see that the string variable, okay, text title we just added a moment ago, is available for us to use. So I will just press the enter key. Okay, so it shows the, okay, what it looked like. Okay. And then next to it will be the text edit. Okay. And again, we'll be entering kind of a number with decimal value. Okay, so we will pick this one. Okay, we'll pick this one, and then the distance, okay, to the top. Okay, so let me drag it, drop, okay, here, and then let me set it to 16. Okay, SP again. DP again. You can always, okay, set up different values, okay, later. Okay. And then the text size, okay, will be 25, okay, 25 SP. And also, okay, I'm going to put a hint, okay, put a hint, okay, over the hint, okay, hint attribute here. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, this is the attribute, but I haven't set up the string variable yet. Okay, so I will again switch back to the, okay, string, okay, the XML file. Again, I'm not very good at typing. Okay, so I will just copy, okay, the keys, okay, string keys. Okay, I have set it up already. Okay, so we just copy, okay, and then paste them over there. Okay, again, feel free to type if you like to type. Okay, yeah. So I have key, okay, for the button. Okay, I have key for the hint. I have key for the radio button from C to F. Okay, another radio button from F to C, and then text title. All right. Okay, so let me switch back to the XML file, and this one will be the hint. Okay, so in my in the property hint, then I'm going to use add, and then you can see that we have a hint set up. Okay, so let me press the enter key. So it shows that the hint will be input temperature. Okay, so far so good. And then next one, okay, will be the radio button. Okay, the radio button here. And you have to put a group first. Okay, so let's let me pick the container, and then, okay, let me look for the radio, okay, radio button group. Okay, so let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Is in the buttons? Oh, right. Oh, my bad. Okay, it's in the buttons. So let me drag and drop an instance of the radio button. And it's kind of hard to see, okay, what it looked like, but from the component tree, okay, you can see that the radio button group is there. And then we're going to put, oh yeah, and then let me set the distance, okay? Let me set the distance, okay, give me a minute. The distance to the top is about, you can set it to about maybe 32 is fine, yeah, 32. All right, and then okay, I'm going to drag and drop 2 instances of RadioButton into it. So I'm going to put it from the in the component tree. I'm going to put it over there, so you can see that there is one label inside indented into the RadioButton, so it shows that this RadioButton belongs to this radio group. And then I'm going to drag and drop another instance as well. There you go. So now we have 2 radio buttons in there. And then I'm going to set the text. Okay, so again, I'm going to select the text property and then highlight the default value and then use the add key. And then this will be from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, so press the enter key, not bad. And then next one will be from, let me see, Celsius to Fahrenheit. All right, and then the font size will be 20 SP. So the first one, let me select the first one. Either you can select from the component tree or from the layout file. Okay, it's really up to you. Okay, and then I would prefer to select from the component tree. Let me set the text size. Okay, so text size will be 20 SP. Okay, there you go. And then this one will be the same. 20 SP. Oops, a moment ago, I guess I did not. Oh yeah, I missed the P there. Yeah, 20 SP. And also the distance among them. Okay, so let me see. Among them, I might put. Give me a minute. For the, let me see. For the margin, I need to use the margin. Layout margin. There you go. So let me set margin. Top. Will be about 5 dp. Otherwise, it might be too close to each other. All right, and then for the radio group, yeah, the top is fine. All right, and then next to it will be a button. So let me drag and drop a button there, and then let me create the. Oops, my bad. It's gone. Okay, so let me see. It moved quite a way. Let me delete it from the component tree, and let me try it again. From here, and let me set it up. Okay. The distance, let me see what's the distance I use. So I set the distance to about 16. All right. And then the text content will be the button convert. And then the text size is about 25 SP. All right, yeah, so we are getting closer and closer. And then also, I need to set the gravity. So you might wondering what is gravity about. So let me give you an example. So you assume that the text box size look like this. And then if you want to do a little bit left alignment for whatever reasons, right? Then there's gravity property. You can play with it. You can see that it's over here, right? And then you can pick, hey, alignment maybe to the left. Set it to true. boom, I mean, you move to the left. And you want to make it to the right, okay? So you can make it, let's say, to the right, okay? So you move to the right, or right button, okay? So you can also try, let me see, okay? Yeah, button here. Okay, so we move to the button. So again, the gravity, okay, is pretty neat, okay? So, but then in our case, okay, we want to set it to kind of center, okay, center horizontally, okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, center horizontally, and now, okay, I'm going to set the height, okay, of the control to wrap content. Okay, so give me a minute. All right, okay, so set the height to wrap content. So you will just reduce, okay, the height, okay, but then you won't hide any text, okay, content at all. Oh, the width, I also have to set it to wrap content. My bad. All right, and then next one will be another text view. Okay, so let me drag and drop a text view here. And here will be just, this one will be used to show the result. Okay, so we really don't need to display anything, okay, at all. But then we want to see maybe if it is executed, okay, and what the text might look like. So let's try something in the tool text property. Okay, let me try 100 Fahrenheit is, this is 37.8 in Celsius. Okay, yeah, so let me try this one again. Okay. And also the font size will be 25 SP, font size 25 SP, there you go. And also the text color, okay, will be red. So I can just directly type in from here, okay. It is RGB value, okay. I'm not going to get into it, okay, yeah. So it's hexadecimal value, okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so far so good. And then this, okay, do a test run. Okay, let's do a test run. Okay, so let me select run, and then okay, this will be my emulator, right? Okay, so let me do a test run to see what it might look like. It's loading. Okay, all right, and then put in it. Okay, put in it. Okay. So if I enter something, okay, and click the check mark, okay, to close the keyboard, okay, and pick the radio button is mutual exclusive, okay, click convert. Of course, nothing happened because we hadn't written code yet. However, I just noticed that, okay, I set my radio button one is the default radio, okay, so in the checked property, okay, then I can set it to true, okay, so when the app is executed, okay, the Fahrenheit, okay, to Celsius, okay, will be the default one, okay, yeah, now it's fine. All right, the video is a little bit long already, okay, so I will stop here, and then later I will show you, okay, how to create the icon, okay, to show on the action bar, and also over the app icon over here, okay. So let me stop the video, okay.